Imagine a clear day in Delhi. The sun is shining. You are at Indira Gandhi International Airport. As you look out across the tarmac, you see something amazing. A long line of Air India Boeing 777 stretches out before you. These are not just airplanes, they are giant metal birds. They stand ready to take flight and connect India with the world. These planes are huge and powerful. They represent the global reach of Air India. Each 777 tells a story. It is a story of distant lands and incredible engineering. These planes are a symbol of pride for India. They show how far the country has come. They are a testament to India's place in the world. Air India has a long history. It began in 1932. Back then, it was called Tata Airlines. The airline grew over the years. It became Air India in 1946. Air India was one of the first airlines in the world to fly jets. Today, Air India is a modern airline. It has a fleet of over 100 aircraft. The Boeing 777 is a key part of this fleet. Air India flies the 777 to destinations all over the world. This includes cities in Europe, North America, and Asia. Air India is known for its warm hospitality. It is a source of pride for Indians everywhere. The airline connects people and cultures. It plays an important role in India's economy. The Boeing 777 is a special plane. It is one of the largest twin-engine jets in the world. This plane is known for its range and fuel efficiency. It can fly for over 8,000 nautical miles without refueling. That's like flying from Delhi to New York. The 777 is also a very safe airplane. It has a state-of-the-art design. It is made with the strongest materials. Pilots love to fly the 777. They say it is a dream to handle. The 777 was designed using computers. This was a new thing back then. The plane is also very quiet. This is thanks to its advanced engines. Indira Gandhi International Airport is a busy place. It is one of the busiest airports in Asia. The airport is located in Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. The airport is named after Indira Gandhi, a former Prime Minister of India. The airport has 3 runways. It has 3 terminals. The airport is well designed. It is easy to navigate. There are many shops and restaurants. The airport is a hub for Air India. The airline has a large presence there. You will see many Air India planes at the airport. Seeing a row of Air India 777s is a thrill. It's a sight that aviation enthusiasts just love. The sheer size of the planes is, well, impressive. And the sound of their engines, it's powerful. These planes, they represent the magic of flight. They inspire dreams of far-off lands. Photographers absolutely love to capture the planes. The 777 is a very photogenic aircraft. For many people, these planes are more than just machines. They are symbols of hope and progress. Section 6. The cultural impact of Air India 777s. Air India 777s are more than just planes. They are a symbol of India's connection to the world. When you see these planes, you see the spirit of India. The planes are painted in the colors of the Indian flag. They feature the iconic Konark chakra. This is a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. The planes evoke a sense of pride in Indians all over the world. They represent India's growing economic power. They are a reminder of the important role that aviation plays in our world. Section 7. The magnificent wings of India. The sight of Air India 777s lined up in Delhi is truly magnificent. These planes are a symbol of India's progress and ambition. They represent the country's reach into the global stage. These planes are a marvel of engineering. They are a testament to human ingenuity. They are a reminder that anything is possible. The sight of these planes is a source of pride for all Indians. Section 8. More than just airplanes. Air India's 777s are more than just airplanes. They are a symbol of connection. They bring people together from all over the world. They facilitate trade and tourism. These planes help to bridge cultures and continents. They are a reminder that we are all connected. The next time you see an Air India 777, take a moment to appreciate its significance. Section 9. Connecting India to the world. Air India's fleet of 777s plays a vital role in connecting India to the world. These planes carry millions of passengers every year. They transport tons of cargo. They help to boost India's economy. They make it possible for people to experience different cultures. They strengthen ties between nations. Air India's 777s are a source of pride for India and a symbol of the country's bright future.